In front of me is VIVO V29 Lite, and today I would like to show you how you can operate voice recorder. First of all, you need to find Recorder app and hit allow. Now click on this red button at the bottom to begin, and use the same one to pause or unpause your recording. To add a bookmark, click on the left one, and to end it and save it on the right one. Now to play it, click on it. And to adjust any of its options, click on those three dots at the top right corner. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!